Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use oxygen tanks as an EMT. First, safety is paramount. Always inspect the tank for any damage before you begin. Make sure it's securely fastened to prevent it from falling over. Check the pressure gauge. It should read at least 500 psi. Remember, never use any grease or oil near oxygen equipment, as this can be extremely dangerous. Your patient's well-being depends on your careful attention to these initial steps. Next, let's attach the regulator. Choose the appropriate regulator for your oxygen tank. Before attaching, remove any plastic wrapper and ensure the O-ring is present and intact. This prevents leaks. Carefully align the regulator's pins with the corresponding holes on the tank valve. Once aligned, hand tighten the T-handle until it is snug and secure. Do not over-tighten, but ensure there are no gaps. This step is crucial for a proper and safe oxygen flow. Now, let's talk about delivering oxygen to your patient. You'll select the most suitable delivery device, such as a nasal cannula or a non-rebreather mask, based on the patient's needs. Set the oxygen flow rate according to your medical protocols, which commonly ranges from 2 to 15 liters per minute. Carefully place the chosen device on the patient, ensuring a good, comfortable seal. Throughout this process, continuously monitor the patient's oxygen saturation levels to assess effectiveness. Finally, ongoing monitoring and troubleshooting are essential. Continuously assess your patient's respiratory status and overall response to oxygen therapy. During transport, frequently check the oxygen tank pressure gauge. You should replace the tank when the pressure drops below 200 psi to ensure an uninterrupted supply. If you notice any leaks or equipment malfunctions, address them immediately and safely. Your vigilance ensures continuous, effective patient care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.